Hi, this is Claire Major speaking, and this brief video is about the origins of qualitative research. Social research has a long history. It emerged from natural sciences and was originally based upon a positivist philosophy in the scientific method. For early social researchers, objectives were clear, rules were straightforward, and research goals and paths were linear. Early social researchers used scientific approaches, such as controlled experiments. They attempted to isolate small samples of people from their social context. They relied upon comparison and classification for analysis, applying statistical tests to determine significance. Then the tide turned. Some scholars began to view knowledge in a different way. Some began to consider conscious thought as a qualitative act. Some began to consider the growing complexity of the human condition as a unique research problem. In turn, researchers began to consider the constraints of scientific methods for answering complex questions about the human experience. They needed new methods for investigating wicked problems. It was during this shift of scholarly understanding that qualitative research emerged. Contemporary qualitative research emerged in the late 1960s on the idea that the personal is political, that the subjective is a valid form of knowledge, and that all people are capable of naming their own world and constructing knowledge. Qualitative scholars argued that society does not exist in an objective, observable form. Rather, it is experienced subjectively, because individuals give it meaning by the way they behave. Qualitative researchers believe that the social world is different from the natural world. Qualitative researchers are people who conduct research among other people and learn with them rather than conduct research on them. Qualitative researchers believe that the best researchers can do is learn about, describe, and explain the perceptions of individuals. Qualitative social researchers lean toward collecting data using methods such as unstructured interviews and participant observation. The following quotation by Holloway provides a useful definition. Qualitative research is a form of social inquiry that focuses on the way people interpret and make sense of their experiences and the world in which they live. A number of different approaches exist within the wider framework of this type of research, but most of these have the same aim, to understand the social reality of individuals, groups, and cultures. Researchers use qualitative approaches to explore behavior, perspectives, and experiences of the people they study. The basis of qualitative research lies in the interpretive approach to social reality. In conclusion, qualitative research emerged as individuals sought new ways to understand the social world.